Hi everyone, this is my 2-hour video. Here are my cinnamon samples. Up here on the left, we see the 4 grams of cinnamon done in boiling water. This is the most consistent, like paste-like, well-incorporated option that came from the cinnamons. The 2 grams in 50 milliliters of boiling water, this one actually came together pretty well too. It's a little thinner than the other one, which makes sense considering there was less volume of powder. The other two that were done in ice water, they had a tendency to kind of separate. They did not necessarily sit up as well. With regards to the slippery elm, my top left here, this is 2 teaspoons of boiling water. This is definitely the thickest. It also developed some of these semi-solid lumps, and I'm not sure if this is because of how I mixed it together or about how it just came together. However, the 1 teaspoon of boiling water, this made a nice even concentration. It's very slimy, very gelatinous, but smooth. It's not overly grainy. I was impressed with how this one turned out. But I think the real star of the slippery elm here is this 2 tablespoons and 50 cc's of ice water. This came together as almost like a putty. It's smooth. It is not grainy. It's spreadable. It's something that I would think that you could even use like on a wound or a burn. It came together really nicely. The 1 teaspoon and 50 mils of ice water, again, a nice consistency, little thinner, and that makes sense because of using less volume in the powder. The marshmallow was a little surprising. I had 2 teaspoons of marshmallow here in boiling water, and this is the one that actually came together and was the most cohesive. As opposed to the other samples, this is 1 teaspoon in boiling water. I got slippery elm on there, whoops. This one here, as you can see, separated a little bit, but the ones that really separated were these ones here. These are the samples. The top one is 2 teaspoons and 50 cc's of iced water. The bottom one is 1 teaspoon and 50 cc's of iced water. And those two really separated as far as solids and liquids.